I am walking to work on Wednesday morning.
Half a page of A4. Stuff that's going on. Not too often, because I have to type them back in again. Not too long, yeah.
About 30 degrees angle, whatever, right up. I went from there sitting down. Gary went from standing up here to down there to foot right up there.
Go for it here, I think.
How much water are you?
We got 4.8 metres. I'll stop the boat.
Okay, hoist away then, please.
%90% shark
It's 5 million, no!
says higher storm signals may be raised over the weekend as Typhoon Leo moves towards Hong Kong. Leo was upgraded from a severe tropical storm this morning. However, a senior scientific officer at the observatory, HGY, says so far the typhoon has had little impact on the territory and the standby signal number 1 therefore remains in effect.
Typhoon Leo continues to move towards Hong Kong, but it's not expected to hit land until at least tonight. Leo is estimated to be about 320 kilometres south-southeast of here, and it's moving at about 8 kilometres an hour. The number 3 signal remains hoisted.
At 4, the centre of Tropical Storm Leo, estimated to be 65 kilometres southeast of Hong Kong, and it's forecast to move north-northwest at about 10 kilometres an hour towards the eastern waters of Hong Kong. In the past few hours, Leo's continued to come closer to Hong Kong, but it is weakening at the same time. Stay alert though, keep listening to the radio and watch TV for the latest weather broadcasts, and whatever you do, don't take part in water sports. This is not the right kind of weather.
Hello, Adventure. This is Ocean 1.
Ocean 1, this is Adventure.
Tunes, your start line is east to west. I say again, east to west. There is no windward mark, and the committee vessel is on the starboard end of the start line. The other end of the start line, there is an orange buoy. You merely start and go for Singapore.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.